Hey guys, today I have an Amana, which is made by Whirlpool, washer and electric dryer, and I've got this hooked up right now going on a normal regular cycle. We are doing the deep water wash with just a cool setting here. You've got some different options. You could set it to auto sensing, which is a HE designation, with the extra rinse or just regular HE. Then you've got the deep water wash and then also the extra rinse option with the deep water wash. You've got 5 settings here for temperature. Then over here, what's going to differentiate your normal and heavy is time that it agitates. So if you click it over here on heavy, it's going to agitate longer, which will get your clothes cleaner in theory if they're heavier and a little bit dirtier. Casual will be kind of like your quick wash, and then delicate would be a real delicate on the agitating. So you can put your delicate items in there. You've got a clean washer setting, rinse and spin only, drain and spin only, bulky items and sheets. That once again is just going to kind of manipulate how the agitator works with those bigger clothes. And now I've got it filling up, it's sensing the load, so it's going to go for a while till it gets just about full submersion on those clothes. I have an additional lid lock mechanism here, so I can pop this in here and we can lift this up and see what's going on. Otherwise this will be locked out and you wouldn't be able to open it up. So throughout this cycle you'll kind of get to see what's going on, and that's why. So we'll let it go ahead and fill up with water, and I'll come back, show you that it's agitating correctly with full submersion. Alright, and we're back, and it has filled all the way up with water. Got real strong agitation there. Doing an excellent job getting those clothes vortexed down and clean. And there again, that's because we have it set on the deep water wash. So I'm going to let it move through the entire wash cycle here. Show you that it drains the water out in between the wash and rinse cycle. Then when the rinse cycle is complete, I'll show you it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, and water's draining out. It's going on its first spin on the rinse cycle. You can hear it's got the drain running while it spins. And once it's done with that, it's going to fill back up with fresh water for the rinse cycle. Next we'll come back for the spin cycle. Okay, coming in on the final spin cycle. Once again, spinning nice and fast. See, it's quiet, smooth, nice and balanced. And then I'm going to let that go ahead and finish spinning out. Move these clothes over to the dryer. Okay, washer's finished up, emptied out. You see it's nice and clean, looks great. Over here on the dryer, we're going to set it on time dry, which is a high heat setting. You've got a no heat setting for super delicate items, air fluff. Then you've got automatic dry here, which is a low heat setting, and then you've also got an automatic high heat. So 4 different options there for your temperature. We're just going to go time dry, high heat, hit go. You can see and hear it sounds great. On both machines, it's super important that once you get them in place, you make sure they're level front to back, side to side. And then we'll go ahead and actually let me grab my temperature gun here. I'm going to show you the inside is heating like it's supposed to. So it's 78 degrees on top of the dryer. I shine it on the concrete floor. It's about 74 degrees. So we'll open this up. You see everything tumbling. We'll shoot it right inside the heating element tube. Now there's a ton of heat coming out of that tube right there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 to 195. Just kind of depends on what you set your heat setting at there. But this is where the heat actually comes out of heating elements back about right here. The heat comes up, circulates, and then goes out there, and that's where the lint trap is on top here. So you want to make sure you change that every load. Then the air circulates, goes down out the back of the dryer, and it would even be a little bit quieter once you had that vent hose hooked up on the back. So that's going to do it for these. We'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.